Okay, today we're going to install the cheapest wiper blades I found on Amazon for a Jeep XJ. These are an 18-inch. The brand says this, PJE Dyes, $14.99 a pair. I wrote this on there because so I would remember it came from Amazon. As you can see, that is the brand. The box looks totally different on Amazon when you look these things up. So let's go take a look. Okay, so here are is the Jeep XJ that I'm going to put these wiper blades on. I am taking off some, as I consider, very good Bosch wiper blades. These are 18 inches. But so you don't have to. I'm going to see what kind of quality these PJE Dyes Amazon wiper blades are. I'm not really sure the best way to open these. Let's see. Okay. There is nothing else in the PJE Dyes box. Let's see if we have any instructions. Genuine OE replacement. Yeah. Let's see about that. New package design to protect the spring curve. Okay, I guess the old package design unsprung it. There are no instructions other than please remove the green rubber protector. What is? Oh, here's some instructions. So all right, the first thing we're going to do. This is the same process as most vehicles. If you have a little cap on there, you just pinch it and it'll come right up. And I'm on the driver's side. You just take this and you pull it toward you. It's a J-hook. Watch this. And it pops right out. Be very careful not to let this thing spring and crack your windshield. In fact, it is a good idea to put something soft under that, or even the box. You could put the box, and therefore you definitely are protected. All right, we'll take the Bosch and we'll compare it to the PJE Dyes, and they seem quite similar. So we are going to install. It is going to be the reverse. Okay, if you're on the driver's side with the PJE Dyes wiper blades, I'm going to lift this up this way. This is the left side of the vehicle over here, the driver's side. And you want to take the J-hook and you are going to push it through here. And when it seats, then you push it away and it should click in just like that. And then you push the little protector down. Then I'm going to carefully remove this box. And as the directions say, please remove this green protector. Just pull it off like that. And I want to feel the wiper blade. And really that's it. Pretty uneventful. Okay, for the passenger side, I am going to put my protective box here. Then I am going to pinch, raise that up, and on this side, I'm going to push it away from me like this. Lift it up, and there is your wiper blade. And the PJE Dyes wiper blades are very similar. You just pinch this and this will open them up like this. I am going to bring this over here and I'm going to lift this up. Doing this one-handed. Push. See how it's going to go down around. And then when I pull back, it's going to click in place. And once it's in place like that, click that down, remove the box, and pull your green protective sleeve off. Now that we have the PJE Dyes wiper blades installed, let's see what they do with a little water. Close. They seem to work and no noise like any other blade. So far so good. But the key to wiper blades is keeping them clean, and the good ones are they last a long time. And if you are interested, it says that if you have 24-hour after sales email, ldwipers@163.com. I guess that's if you have any questions or concerns about these Pajot E-Dash wiper blades. I will put the link in the description for these. These are the blades I just took off. If you want your blades to last a little longer, when you wash your car, take some window cleaner, glass cleaner, spray it on the rubber, and then get a cloth and wipe the rubber down. Watch this. See that black stuff there? That comes off the rubber. And if you can see, this side's clean. Look how dirty this side is. This is the buildup of stuff that makes your windshield wipers go, blah, 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 you know, skip and make all kind of noise. But these are due to be changed. They've been on there between 1.5 years and 2 years. So Bosch, I do like these. They're expensive, but I think these are the best. But we'll try the Pajot E-Dash ones and see. Hopefully this quick installation video of these Pajot E-Dash Amazon wiper blades helped you out. These are the cheapest that I could find for a Jeep XJ. I bought them so you don't have to. They are working. We'll see how long. The Bosch ones lasted about 1.5 years, 2 years, somewhere around there. I kept them clean, kept the rubber clean, and they finally just started making too much noise on the last rain, as you saw in the first part of the video. So the link will be in the description. Y'all have a great day.